Hey guys, my name is Jeremy Kell7EC. Today we're back at it doing another POTA activation, or a Parks on the Air activation. It's kind of crazy. We're actually in a blizzard warning, so something we'll definitely have to keep an eye on. It's supposed to start in 20 minutes or so. I kind of checked the weather. I might have a little longer to play radio, but it's one of those things that here in Alaska, the weather is the #1 getter of people. So it's definitely something we have to respect and keep an eye on. 10 meters has been hot the last couple days, actually probably the last week or so. So I had some time today. I really wanted to get out and try to activate this park on 10 meters, take advantage of that. So I get a lot of you guys commenting, saying out in this kind of weather doing you know, your POTA activations, playing ham radio in the extreme weather. But I have to say, it's not me. It all comes down to the gear. I have the bibs and I have a jacket here. This is the Yukon Extreme by Carhartt. Exceptionally lightweight. It's thin, it's very easy to move around in, and it keeps you extremely warm. You know, last week we were up in that -16-degree weather, riding the snow machines out. I had these on and it did not, I did not get cold one bit. So probably the #1 thing is gear if you're going to be out in these kind of environments. Right now it's not too bad. It's about 15 degrees, so it's not bad at all. So one thing to keep in mind if you guys do want to do this, you really want to learn yourself. How you sweat is a big portion. You want to have a good base layer on, some good wicking material. How do you sweat is probably the #1 thing you need to ask yourself. I don't sweat too much, so I can put this gear on, kind of take my time and go out. And once I'm there, I'm good. Some people, you know, if you sweat a lot, you don't want to put all your gear on. You might be cold going out, and that's something, you know, essentially you'll have to deal with. But once you get out there, you might be cold, but at least you're dry, and then you can put on your winter gear. So it's one of those things you got to play around with. Another big thing is hydration. You have to stay hydrated out here. Just like in the summertime, you know, down in lower 48, it gets extremely hot. Same thing, hydration. This is kind of some deep snow, so we'll be using the snowshoes. And then on top of that, you're burning a tremendous amount of calories. So you definitely want to, you know, take breaks, stop, eat. You don't want to overdo yourself by burning a lot of calories, and then you have nothing to replenish it with. Have plenty of food with you. Stay hydrated. Water is the best thing. You know, you can kind of keep it in your bag or whatnot, depending on the temperatures. All right, yeah, let's get on our snowshoes, get on our gear, and let's head out. All right, you guys ready? Let's go. before we get started, I'm gonna do me some lunch. We'll use the jet boil. The snow is starting to pick up. And for lunch, we got good old Raymond's. Raymond's. That should be good on this snowy day. Visibility is getting, I bet we're down to about probably a mile at the moment, but it's definitely decreasing. But the wind hasn't picked up, so that's always good. Noodles are done. Not the healthiest by far, but they sure are good. So I'm kind of so I'm kind of questioning my decision. As long as it stays like this, it won't be bad. But they don't give a blizzard warning for nothing. I should have brought my tarp so we can at least make somewhat of a shelter. Man, there's nothing like it. Enjoying the great outdoors. Having a hot lunch. All right, you guys ready? Is the frequency in use? Kilo Lima 7 Echo Charlie.
Yeah, Kilo Alpha 7, Radio America. You're 5-9 in Whiskey Alpha, 5-9 Washington. Kilo Alpha 0, Sugar Papa.
Kilo Alpha 0 Fox Sugar Papa 5959 in Park Kilo 7222 QSL.
Kilo Juliet 7 Foxtrot Papa Delta.
Kilowatt Juliet 7 Foxtrot Papa Delta 59 in Park Kilo 7222 QSL.
So Charlie 0 Echo Charlie Quebec Echo.
Kilo Charlie 0 Echo Charlie Quebec 5910 over in the Park Kilo 7222 QSL.
Kilo Delta 9 Delta Zulu Tango.
Kilo Delta 9 Delta Zulu Tango 59 in the Park Kilo 7222 QSL. Roger, November 5 Juliet Golf Echo 59 in the Park Kilo 7222 QSL.
Yeah, Roger, the 59, the 7222. You're about a 5-8 here in East Texas, East Texas. Kilo November 4 Alpha Lima.
Kilo November 4 Alpha Lima 5910 over in the Park Kilo 7222 QSL. Kilo 1 Radio Oscar 59, my friend in the Park Kilo 7222 QSL.
QSL 5 and 6, 56 in New Hampshire. Thanks again.
Was that Kilo 3 Kilo Lima Bravo?
Roger. 3 Kilo Lima.
Roger, Kilo 3 Kilo Lima Bravo. Got you a 5151 into the Park Kilo 7222 QSL.
Kilo Charlie 3 Oscar Papa.
Kilo Charlie 3 Oscar Papa 5757 in Park Kilo 7222 QSL.
Kilo Golf 7 Mike Alpha Victor. I have some plugs for you and your signals of 5-9 today. Ready when 7 up 5, tail 7 up 5.
Kilo Golf 7 Mike Alpha Victor, also a 59 into Park Kilo 7222. Go ahead with your park number.
Good afternoon, this is Whiskey 7 Kilo November Bravo. I've got you in here at a 5959 in the Park Kilo 6434 and Kilo 3424. Whiskey Alpha 1 Yankee Zulu November.
Whiskey Alpha 1 Yankee Zulu November, great signal, 59 in the Park Kilo 7222 QSL.
Whiskey 9 Yankee Kilo.
Whiskey 9 Yankee Kilo 59 in the Park Kilo 7222 QSL. I believe it was Victor Echo 3 Lima Delta Tango 51 in the Park Kilo 7222 QSL.
Roger, you're 5 and 5 Ontario. Kilo India 7 Delta Yankee Mike.
Kilo India 7 Delta Yankee Mike 59 in the Park Kilo 7222 QSL.
Victor Echo 3 Mike India Sierra.
Victor Echo 3 Mike India Sierra, a great signal, 5910 over in the Park Kilo 7222 QSL.
Whiskey 3 Florida Ocean X-Ray.
Whiskey 3 Foxtrot Ocean X-Ray, I believe it was, 5'9" in the park, kilo 7222, Kyoso.
Whiskey Alpha 8, Victor Echo Sierra.
Whiskey Alpha 8, Victor Echo Sierra, 5'9" in the park, kilo 7222, Kyoso. Roger, Kilo Delta 8, Zulu Juliet, 5'1", 51, park, kilo 7222, Kyoso.
Roger, Roger, you are 5'3" into Lansing, Michigan. Whiskey 7, Delta Zulu, Uniform Echo.
The Whiskey 7, Delta Zulu, I believe it was, 5'9" in the park, kilo 7222.
Roger, you're 5'9" into Southwest Washington, over. 9, Foxtrot Uniform Echo, Kilo Bravo Whiskey.
Foxtrot Uniform Echo.
November 9, Foxtrot Uniform Echo.
Roger, November 9, Foxtrot Uniform Echo, 5'9" in the park, kilo 7222, Kyoso.
Kilo 7, Oscar Romeo Golf, QSL.
Roger, Kilo 7, Oscar Romeo Golf, 5'9" in the park, kilo 7222, Kyoso.
Sugar 5, Alpha Delta Victor.
Whiskey 5, Whiskey Sugar 5, Alpha Delta Victor, 5'9" in the park, kilo 7222, Kyoso. Kilo Echo 8, Victor India Kilo, 5'1" in the park, kilo 7222, Kyoso.
Delta Radio Hotel.
Kilo 2, Delta Radio Hotel, 5'9" in the park, kilo 7222, Kyoso.
Whiskey 8, Golf X-Ray.
Whiskey 8, Golf X-Ray, great signal, 5'9", 10 over in the park, kilo 7222, Kyoso.
Yes, Kilo Echo 8, Romeo Zulu Sierra.
Roger, Kilo Echo 8, Romeo Zulu Sierra, 5'4" in the park, kilo 7222, Kyoso. Roger, Kilo Oscar 4, Papa India Hotel, 5'7" in the park, kilo 7222, Kyoso.
Hey, thanks for picking me up. You're 5'4", 54 into Tennessee, Tango November.
Kilo 4, Quebec Lima Juliet, 5'1" in the park, kilo 7222, Kyoso. Roger, I should appreciate the contact, my friend, 7-3.
Kilo Juliet 7, Romeo Papa Lima, over.
Roger, Kilo Juliet 7, Romeo Papa Lima, 5'9" in the park, kilo 7222, Kyoso. All right, we had a total of 74 contacts, so awesome day, awesome. Glad to be out here. The wind is starting to pick up a little. I can hear it over the horizon, so definitely need to get packed up and get out of here and get home before this thing hits. I'm probably with the road conditions probably about 40 minutes or so away from the house. Probably another 40 minutes to get packed up and out of here. So anyway, I should appreciate you guys watching. Until next time, 7-3.